You juggle calls on your phone, texts on your tablet, and important documents scattered across a dozen different apps. Sounds chaotic, right? Well, what if there was a way to streamline all that into one unified platform? Enter RingCentral, a cloud-based communication solution that brings everything together under one roof. Imagine making calls, sending messages, and managing video conferences from a single, easy-to-use interface. Sounds pretty amazing, doesn't it? But here's the thing. To unlock the power of RingCentral, you need to download the app on your computer. Now, that might sound intimidating, but fear not. Downloading RingCentral is a breeze, and in this video, we'll walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end of this guide, you'll be a RingCentral pro, ready to conquer your communication woes and enter a world of seamless collaboration. So, grab your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's get started. First things first, is RingCentral right for you? RingCentral offers a free plan with basic features, perfect for individuals or small teams who want to dip their toes into the unified communications pool. They also have paid plans with more advanced features, catering to businesses of all sizes. Now, onto the download. There are two main ways to get RingCentral on your computer. The RingCentral website. This is the most common method, and it's super straightforward. Head over to your favorite web browser and search for RingCentral Download. The official RingCentral website should be at the top of the search results. Provided by your IT admin. If you're using RingCentral at work, your IT administrator might have a specific download link or instructions for you. This is usually the case for companies with specific security protocols or preferences. Alright, let's assume you're going the website route. Once you're on the RingCentral download page, you'll see options for downloading the app on various devices, including PC and Mac. Make sure you choose the version compatible with your operating system. For Windows users, you'll typically see options for a regular download or a non-auto update version. The regular download is the easiest choice for most users, as it will automatically install any future updates. The non-auto update version is typically used by IT administrators who want more control over updates within their organization. Mac users, pay attention. RingCentral offers separate versions for computers with Intel chips and those with the newer Apple M1 chip. Double-check your Mac specifications before hitting download to ensure you get the right version. Once you've chosen the correct download, click that shiny Download Now button. The download size shouldn't be too big, so it shouldn't take long, even with a slower internet connection. While the download finishes, here's a quick heads up. During installation, RingCentral might ask you for permission to access your microphone, camera, and notifications. These permissions are essential for making calls, video conferencing, and receiving alerts about incoming messages. Alright, download complete. Head over to your Downloads folder, or wherever your web browser saves downloaded files. You should see the RingCentral installer there. It will likely be an .exe file for Windows and a .dmg file for Mac. Double-click that installer file, and the magic begins. The RingCentral setup wizard will take you through the installation process. It's mostly a series of next buttons, but there might be a screen or two where you can choose the installation location or create a desktop shortcut. Follow the on-screen instructions, and in just a few minutes, RingCentral will be up and running on your computer. The first time you launch the app, you might need to log in using your RingCentral account credentials. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed RingCentral on your computer. Now you can explore the app, get familiar with its features, and start streamlining your communication like a boss. RingCentral offers features like making and receiving calls, sending and receiving text messages, video conferencing, voicemail management, and even integrations with other business applications. Take some time to explore and see how RingCentral can transform the way you connect and collaborate. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy communicating.